In this video, you're going to learn how you can sort an array in reverse order. And we're going to explore basically two items. We're going to put the array in reverse, and after that we're going to figure out how we can sort the array in reverse or in descending order. So if you're very familiar with the sort, and if you watch my other video, I already talked there about sort, where you can sort an array on ascending order. And now we're going to do exactly the opposite in descending order. So let's start and explore this. And why this is so important is, especially if you're going to manipulate charts, having the right structure, knowing how to do this can be beneficial, where you can filter out from high to low or low to high or anything in between. So let's start and explore this. So let's look here. This is right now our HTML website. And we have here our HTML file. And in here, we're going to do a reverse order of the array. So let's first create an array. So here, let's give it a constant. And the constant of this array, you should already know what an array is. In this case, color. So imagine in our colors array, we have multiple values. And it starts in any particular order that you prefer. I would say yellow, gold, silver, blue, green. Oh, make sure it's a string, of course. And this is a very important one. Reverse works with a string. This is very important. With a string array, it is used. If you're using it with a number array, it will work in an undesired way. And I will show you that later on. So we have yellow, gold, silver, blue. Let's say, what are we missing here? Green, purple, red, and pink. Alright, so we've got many different colors. And let's put in console.log. Oh, let's remove this here, it's not necessary. Console.log and console.log, where we're going to show our color command here. Let's save this. Once we do that, refresh and open up our developer tab, we can see now our array is being displayed. Then we have 8 elements in our array, or 8 data points or values or items, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. It's a length of 8 items, but they are in no way sorted out in any way, because we didn't indicate anything, because we have created just this, how we set it up. Alright, so let's put in now a reverse. So let's say we have now colors, or we get our array value, and we put it in reverse. Once we do that, we put in here now console.log, and we're going to show again our colors array. Let's save this and refresh, and let's see what's going on now. As you can see now, it starts to become, now this was the starting point what we did, and we did it now in a reverse order. And the reverse order, let me make sure that this is refreshed. Alright, yes, that's correct, now it's refreshed. As you can see here now, this is right now the structure. And where we started with yellow, and then now we're going to put in reverse order. You can see here it starts to even work based on the latest commands here. So we need to have only this here. And if you look at this and we compare the upper values here with the lower values, you can see yellow should be at the end, which is correct, and pink, which is now in the front here, should be here at the end, and that is correct. So yellow here, that moves to the end, and pink moves to the front, because the reverse. However, this is not in any way a sorted order. So we're going to sort it first. To sort the text, we have to do the following here. We have to put in your colors dot sort. So if you see my other videos where I indicated already this is the one we need to do this. Now here we're going to do the sort, and then let's show the new version here. Let's refresh again our text, and as we refresh, now we have sorted out our array. But however, if we sort out our array, it starts here from A to Z, meaning it's a ascending order instead of a descending order. And what we want to do is we want to reverse it. So to do that, what we need to do first is to sort it out And after that, once we sort it out, we will reverse it, which makes sense. So we can do it like this, and if you save this here now, you'll see it. Let's refresh. You can see now here, this order here has been in a descending order or reverse order. So basically we sorted here on ascending order from A to Z. Then here we reverse the order of that from Z to A, which is yellow, silver, red, purple, pink, etc., etc., which is correct because yellow is the one that starts with the Y, and after you have the letter S, which is the next one in line. So how can we do this immediately? Because I can imagine you don't want to use this command here. To do this, all you have to do here is to indicate here first sort.reverse. And once you do that, we have the order here. Let's refresh. Oh, you can see that this doesn't work, of course. We need to put in this. And then we save this again. Refresh, and now you can see it will instantly revert or sort and then put it in reverse. And this is the way you do it with strings. This is only for string arrays. So what happened then if we are going to put in numbers? So I'm going to show you here. Let's say we have 100 here. We have number 20. We have number 50. We have number 9. And we have a number 6. And we have a number 77. So the question here is, what happened if we reverse this? If we reverse this, basically it will reverse. However, if you want to sort it out, what will happen here? Let's explore. So let's sort this. So we're going to get this, and then we say here, sort. And we can do it for sort first, so you can see this. Save this. Refresh here, and now, as you can see, we have this number here. Oh, let's make sure that this is refreshed, right? It sorts out correctly. Yes, alright, everybody did, as you can see here now. So what happens? Basically, number 100 is being shown first. And it shows here, which is the first one here. In the beginning, that's fine. However, at the end, you would say this is incorrect. And the reason why is we have to put 100 at the very end. However, you can see the sorting doesn't make any sense. Number 9 is at the end. Number 6 is somewhere between. Number 77 is between the 6 and the 9. And number 20 comes after 100. Why is this? Well, what happens is it basically sees this value now as a string. And what it does, it really truly sorts it out. But it sorts it out on a different level. It looks at the first letter or the first number. As in the alphabet order, it focuses on. Meaning, number 1 is the first value according to the string logic. Number 2 is the second one. And then number 5, number 6, 77, and number 9. Number 9 is the highest number of the string. So this is of course not the right way to sort. So this is why for sorting out, and if you would do this also in reverse, you will get a complete incorrect structure. So let's do that as well. You will see it as well. Reverse. Let's save this. And let's put this in reverse. And as you can see now, it does exactly the same. It sorts it out first, and then we put it in reverse, where we remember number 9 at the end. That's first at the end, was now in the beginning, and 100 was at the beginning. We moved that to the end. So this does not work. There's a special sort function for arrays with numbers. And I will show that in the next video, or in another video. So if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you have questions regarding to this video, put them in the comment section below. And if you like to learn truly about Chart.JS and really want to go deep, check out my Chart.JS course on Udemy. And you can find the link in the description box below.